Hi guys, I will teach you how to use face tape on your face to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, especially the number 11 in your forehead. I'm going to use castor oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and 3 drops of frankincense oil. Just combine those together, and if already combined, massage your face upwards like this. Ikalat nyo lang yung oil sa face nyo, pati sa leeg, kahit sa mga leeg nyo. This is how I do it. This is how I do my routine, night routine, but I do this twice a week only. Just massage your face upwards. Massage nyo muna bago nyo lagay yung tape sa face nyo. After you apply the oil on your face, tsaka nyo lagay yung tape na sinasabi ko. I'll teach you how. Ikakat nyo to yo. Hindi makailangan buong tape na ilagay nyo sa face nyo. Para mas matipid, ikat nyo siya ng ganito. 40 plus. Yan sa forehead. Kasi may mga lines ako dyan pag kumukulot, di ba yung noo? Ayun nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. Medyo kasi, syempre pag nagkakaedad na tayo, lagay tayo pa ganyan. Dito, pa ganyan. These are the brands that I use while face taping my face. Frankincense oil, jojoba, and castor oil.